The next character, metabolism. Come on, the metabolism. Metabolism is made up of two important terms. Sorry, anabolism. Okay, anabolism plus where is the sketch? Catabolism. Catabolism. We discuss both the terms will later. Okay, now first of all try to understand what is metabolism. Metabolism is nothing, this is the chemical reactions. This metabolism is the chemical reactions or nothing. How? Metabolism is the sum total, what? Sum total of all biological, which one? Biological chemical reactions, biological chemical reactions which takes place in living this is the living body. What is the meaning of this word biological? Why I use these words biological chemical reactions? Could I use also the chemical reactions? Biological, actually these reactions, metabolism means these all the reactions take place or proceed in the living organism, living body, and bio means living. So I use these words biological chemical reactions. What is the meaning of all the definition? Number of the chemical reactions take place in the living organism means number of molecules combine form new molecules, and these new molecules is the product of the chemical reaction. Now number of chemical reactions, again understand here, number of the chemical reactions lead to the different processes like growth is nothing, this is the product of these chemical reaction. Growth, respiration, development, okay, your reproduction, which discuss later. Now reproduction, number of homeostasis, digestion, excretion, number of these processes are nothing, these are the product of the chemical reactions. Okay, now these whole the when we include all the reactions and it see in a living body, it is called the metabolism. This is the sum total of all the biological chemical reactions which take place in the living. And one thing, number of the student think about the number of chemical reactions proceed in the non-living objects, but why these reactions not considered as the metabolism? Because the main thing is to understand here, if chemical reaction lead to any change is called metabolism, but chemical reaction no lead any change, like that growth, homeostasis, response, non-living organism no show any type of response, no show any type of homeostasis and growth. Okay, so that's the reason we not consider the metabolism is proceeded in the non-living organisms non-living objects. So by the conclusion of this we can say metabolism is the true or exclusive exclusive defining character, exclusive defining character of living organisms. Okay, without exception, without exception, without exception. Now here is the, now I discuss here the metabolism is consisted of the two major terms, anabolism and catabolism. Now discuss about the metabolism and what is the meaning of anabolism, what is the meaning of catabolism. Anabolism, anabolism. Now anabolism means to construct, or to construct or to form new. Means anabolism is the formation of the new things. Formation of the anabolism is formation of the new thing in the living organism is called the anabolism. Okay. Now anabolism, like that we understand this anabolism by example like that. Photosynthesis, when CO2 combine with water, when CO2 combine with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it form C6H12O6, okay, and liberate oxygen and a little amount of water. This is a construction when two molecules combine chemically and produce or new things and form new product. Okay, this is the new product, glucose. This is called anabolism. And what is the meaning of catabolism? Catabolism. What is the meaning of catabolism? Catabolism means simple breakdown. Breakdown. How? These glucose molecules respire in the presence of oxygen. When these glucose molecules used as a respiratory substrate by the cell in the presence of oxygen, break down into the CO2 plus H2O and liberate energy. And this energy is used in the organisms by the organisms and the different daily processes. This is the catabolism. Now here this new product which is constructed which was constructed by the combination of both these molecules. Now again it break down. So breakdown means catabolism. Now this reaction is called catabolism, and this reaction from here to here is called anabolism. Okay, clear, understand? Now anabolism is the formation of the new product, a new organic material in the living organism, in the body of the living organism. And catabolism is the breakdown of the compound molecules, complex molecules into the simple molecules. This is the anabolism and the catabolism. Now here we have completed the metabolism. Now come on the next, cellular organization. Cellular organization. What is the meaning of cellular organization? Now if you see the cellular organization, first of all, cellular organization means arrangement of cells. Arrangement of cells is called cellular organization. Cells arrange, number of cells arrange and form tissue. Okay, number of tissue arrange and form organ, and number of organ arrange and form organ system. Number of tissue arrange organ system. And this cellular organization, okay, this cellular organization is performed in the well arranged manner. Okay, if you see any organism, if human The best example is the human. Human is the perfect structure. Human is the perfect structure, like that. Okay, sorry, like that. Human is the perfect structure. Okay, but when you see any stone, any rock, it is like that, like that, like that. Okay, like that. Number of shapes, number of material is, now material is dense here but light here, dense here, light here. Okay, so no any type of well arrangement or well distribution of the material is seen, but the cellular cell. And what is the meaning of cell? What is a cell? Cell is the structural and basic unit of the life. Cell is the living, cell is the living unit. Okay, but and this cell, if we consider the cell is the living unit, living unit, it found only in the living organisms, not in the non-living organisms. These are the stones. Okay, so this is a cellular organization. When cells arranged in a well arrangement, this form a well structure, which is well body, is called the organism, is called the cellular organization. And this cellular organization also the defining character, this is also the defining character of, this is also the defining character of the living organism, because cellular organizations you only see in the living organisms. Now next character is the homeostasis. Next character is the homeostasis. Now this one is the third one and this one is the fourth one. Okay, homeostasis. Homeostasis. Homeostasis is nothing. This is the adaptation. Adaptation. Adaptation means change. Adaptation means change. Okay, adaptation means change. Means homeostasis means to regulate. What homeostasis? What is the meaning of homeostasis? Homeostasis meaning to regulate. Regulate. Regulate means to control. Regulate means control. Control. Okay, control the, to regulate the temperature, to regulate the temperature and internal condition of the body by the organism, by the organism, by the organ system, by the organ system, by the organ system, is called homeostasis, is called homeostasis. The homeostasis is nothing, this is the change, this is the adaptation. But in the summer season, we don't wear the any type of sweater, any type of another warm cloth. Okay, but in the summer season we adopt the number of the another. This is the adaptation. And our body lose less heat from the body in the winter season. You see in the summer season sweating is more much in the summer season but very less in the winter season. And this is the homeostasis. Why the sweating occurs in the human body? Because due to the sweating our body regulates our body temperature, so that our body organs take place, our body organ perform normally their functions. Okay, now here we completed the fourth characteristic feature of the homeostasis. So homeostasis is also the defining character. This is also the defining character. Defining character. Okay, this is also defining a character. Now next characteristics, most important characteristics which totally differentiate the living organism to non-living organism. Consciousness. Consciousness. Okay.